One day the right mouse button on my MacBook Pro 2014 stopped working, and I thought, what the heck, man? I took good care of this MacBook. I couldn't figure out what I did wrong. And while it's fixed here, I noticed that the seams had busted open, and it's because the battery itself had gotten too big. It's a lithium battery, and I guess over time they just bulge out like all of them do. So I had to replace the battery. Here's what I bought. Yep, got it on Amazon at $66. I paid it because I figured I'd paid like $1,800 for my MacBook, maybe even more after tax. So got this. I couldn't believe how many batteries there were. Now, these are the batteries that were actually in my laptop. Look how domed all of them were, all of them. But then again, the year is 2023. I bought this MacBook in 2014, so they lasted about 9 years before they busted my MacBook open, although I think I've been going a year without being able to use my right mouse button, so I've been using like a wireless mouse. Now, it may look a little complicated, but if you've ever taken a laptop apart, it's fairly straightforward. It's just a couple of screws you got to remove. Pull out, you have to yank out the old battery. It's like kind of stuck to the laptop, so you got to kind of rip it out and then put the new one in. It took me about an hour to do it because it was the first time I did it, but if I had to do it again, I could do it a lot quicker. So if you find yourself with a MacBook 2014 or something around that time, like a 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, and your right mouse isn't working, check to see if it's bulging, if any of it's domed out, if any of the screws are starting to bust loose, if you see the bezel of it starting to pop open, you're probably going to want to replace the battery. And if you do, I'll put a link in the description to this battery. And I'll also put a link to a video I will make fairly shortly of the step-by-step process I did that I went through. As you can see, there's some footage here. It'll be more of it from the beginning to almost the end. I think I didn't film the very end, but regardless, at least you could see what's involved with this. And if this actually was your problem, let people in the comments below know if you found another way to repair your right mouse button on your MacBook from not working. Let people know, because the only reason anyone is here is they're looking for help on why their MacBook right mouse button isn't working. And as you see here, there was a happy ending. The MacBook turned back on, and I think I got myself about another 3 years of usage out of this system because it still runs pretty fast. It was just bulging from a dead battery because it had been used for 9 years. Thank you for watching. This is Tech Nuba.